slight hurricane going on out here, or more like a tropical depression. The trees were sort of like going all over the place before, but maybe it might be catching up again. But you can kind of see they're kind of schmoving over there. Maybe once I go head back inside, it'll kick up again. And now you can kind of see it just a little bit better. Just a little. You can kind of see it over there in the distance. A lot of windiness. This tree in particular. There we go. Now we got some good bounce right there. Mom's gonna go be like, "What are you doing out there in the middle of tropical depression?" Flowers are also coming out. You just kind of see how like plants have sort of been blown into one direction. That one in particular. Yeah. Right over here as well, like it's all blown. Oh wait, I didn't even know it was that bad. Yeah, look at all those over there, and that one over there is also blown over. Apparently there's a lot more going around, but I don't know. Oh, look at those flowers over there. Oh, no, it's not gonna let me focus. Got autofocus, right? There we go. There we go.